Hello, good morning to you from Faith Herbs, and today I wanted to make a small video regarding the products which I make, how to use them, and what are they made of, and how do they look when we make, and afterwards how will they become, and the difference between them. So hope you will like the video. I have a Facebook page, Faith Herbs, YouTube channel naming the same name, Faith Herbs, and Faith Cooks also, and Instagram page also. You can follow and learn from me the online cooking, baking, and cosmetic making products for personal use. They all are professionally made, and you can start a small scale business, or you can help everybody by learning them. And they are all professionally they are made professionally, means if you will make them you will learn them. So I will show you the products. So this is a CP soap. CP soap means cold processed soap, and it looks like this. As you know, this is not a bad soap. This is all soap, and the fats or the oils have turned into glycerine. As I explained you, the Vaseline, the glycerine. So this is the pure oil which after making with the lye, which you call chemical, but when we make the soap, it does not become a solid bar of chemicals, but it changes into glycerine, and this is the Vaseline, as you can see. So this is the CP soap, cold processed soap. This is very hard after healing. And now comes this. Yesterday I made this, is a hot processed soap, which fluid hot processed soap, which we use by making the soaps by NaOH. And again, this I made with the tomato and honey and turmeric, fresh tomatoes blended with the yogurt. And this is very means healthy for the skin. These ingredients are very useful for the skin, and this soap can be used on the daily basis, like you are using the soaps like Lux and Dove, but this is all chemical free. This I made as a sample by the process of fluid hot process. As you can see, I will show you, these are not these can be used, but they are little soft because the oil the moisture of the water is still there, as you can see. So when they will become hard, means after 3 days to 1 week, then obviously it will look like or become harder like the cold processed soap. As you can see, this is hard as rock, but this is not, because this is freshly prepared, and these all are handmade. And this is, see, there is the difference, because this is very soft, because this is freshly made. I told you the ingredients. And this is also, I made the fluid hot processed soap. This is blended with the charcoal, activated charcoal, which I make at home. That is also, this is also soft. Okay, this is solid, but after 1 week it will be solid, hard as a rock. So this can also be used on daily basis, and they are very safe on skin for the kids as well. And now I will show you this is also cold processed soap, the watermelon soap. This is also hard healed soap, ready to use. Now comes this is the Baldi soap. This is a Baldi soap. Indians may not be knowing, because we are coming from Indian part. We use the daily soaps, we use the herbs, but in the Arabic world this soap is very common. They take bath, the Turkish people take bath into the Turkish baths. In Arabic culture, this is a very commonly used soap, and they use it weekly 2 to 3 times. As you will go in Arabic countries, you will do the Arabic baths, or the Turkish baths, Moroccan baths. This is very common in Mid East. Nowadays in the Western culture or the Western world, this is also very common. So I will explain you. This is a teaspoon and this is the tablespoon. Both are big. So I will show you the quantity, how much to be used. This much I think will go fully for the full body. Why? Because this is just a teaspoon. I have taken the small teaspoon. Why? Because we will take the little amount like this. This is the spoon. I will tell you with the help of the spoon. Little you will take this much and you will make your full body wet and then apply it like a cream. As you can see, the texture, it's like gel, because the soap is made like that and it's a jelly like soap. And then after wetting your body, then you can massage it with a thin layer. It will become paste like, means cream like. It will turn into white in color, and no need to apply so much, because when you go in the Turkish baths or the Moroccan baths, they apply so much because that is all chemical. But this is handmade. As I explained you, what is the terminology of the handmade? There is no computer needed, there is no machinery needed. It is totally under the supervision of the machines or the computers. But handmade products are handmade because we human beings make it with using our sense organs. We use our hands to make that. So that is the difference between the handmade. So then it will turn into a cream like, and then you have to sit for 10 minutes to 15 minutes, let it get dried up, and then you can shower. There is no need to add the soap. There is no need to take shower again. Simply this will be sufficient, and I think it will go for 2 months, because weekly 2 to 3 times you have to use it. And it's very beneficial for skin. Those who are using it, including me, I am looking a very tremendous change in my skin and the quality and the texture. This is very good. I rather recommend and suggest. I make it, I sell it, and I also teach it online. And now we come to the shampoo. So this is the shampoo, and this is a shampoo, not shampoo conditioner. Shampoo conditioner is mild in nature, and it will condition your hair as well, because there is a lot of super fat which we mix in this. This is normal shampoo which we use. Sometimes you have seen in market that there is shampoo and just shampoo and conditioner. So this is the shampoo which I made using the almond sweet oil or castor oil, olive oil, like this types of coconut oil, cold pressed oils, which are very skin loving and hair loving. So that is why I would tell you that what we get, the products of the market, they are not so safe. That is why we lose our hair texture. Our hair becomes frizzy, dried, scaly skin, and the dandruff. All the problems of the skin comes into the hair, because hair is also, and also the hair becomes thin day by day, and you can see the front line. Front line means this area becomes bald of so many people and ladies, including the children and everything, because the continuous usage of the chemicals which are available in the market in form of soaps, shampoos, creams, lotions, whatever we are using on the skin, they are full of sulfates and parabens. So one day comes when we lose our skin and hair, but we cannot understand what is the basic cause of it. So basic cause of it is by using them continuously on the skin, as they are estrogens. They control our hormones, and also they impact our system, hormonal system especially, too much. So at the larger scale, everybody is suffering from them, but they don't know what is the basic cause behind it. So this is the cause. What I just showed you, the shampoo. This is handmade. Whoever is making around the world, they know the benefits, because when you use it, where you will find the difference between them. Because when you wash your hair with the market shampoo, any brand you can see, your hair at once they will give a leather, the bubbles, because that is called as the artificial leather or the artificial bubbles. After that, quite a time, when your hair becomes dried up, they become too much frizzy. As I can say in normal terminology, they become dry and frizzy, and you have to apply oil or like that. But when you wash your hair with these shampoos, handmade shampoos, organic shampoos, as I explained you what are handmade, again I am giving emphasis on this, you will see the difference. The hair growth will enhance, the roots will get nourished, there will be no dry, scaly, dandruff prone hair or the scalp, because scalp is also a skin. So we have to take care of the scalp, of the skin, and of course of the full body. As I showed you the Moroccan Beldi soap, which is very common here in Mid East, because I am living here for so many years. So I know the difference, and I switched on to these things because now I know how to make, and I teach also and I sell. So this is the basic difference between this. Let me show you the texture of the shampoo. As I am putting the spoon into it, you can see the consistency of it and the liquidity, and it's very thick indeed, and as you can see the beautiful texture here which I made. So this is very good, and it never spoils. This is the beautiful part of it. And I make so many variations, the herbal, and according to the hair type, we can add curd into it, and we can add milk into it. There are so many additives, of course. Now I'm going to show you this I made again, this I made face wash, which you can call it. As you can see, this is totally transparent. You can see the transparency of the face wash. This is the beautiful transparency which it shows, and this is very mild on skin. For daily use, anybody suffering from acne, pimple, anybody suffering from skin ailments, in pimples and acne, why do they come? Sometimes it is hormonal, and sometimes they are the intrinsic factors, sometimes they are external factors, and sometimes they are internal factors. And major part is by using, as I told you, of these products which we use continuously, they make our body skin, means I explained you about the hair, the shampoo part, and also the hair, the skin of the body. They make our skin so means scaly and dried up, and there are skin texture, it loses its moisture. But this type of face wash, as you can see the color and the texture, it locks the moisture inside the skin, and it doesn't let the moisture comes out. So they are very beneficial for the skin use, for the daily use. And hopefully you like a small short video by Faith Herbs, that is by me, Cynthia Andrews. And I make, I sell, I teach. For any queries, you can join the WhatsApp chat group and ask me your queries regarding this, and I will be happily explaining you everything. So in the meantime, thank you.